Hi, it's David Green, founder and CEO of R3 Stem Cell, the nation's leader in regenerative medical training. R3 is now offering a musculoskeletal ultrasound injection training course. Now, this is a one-day course which spans all types of joint injections, including the shoulder, knee, hip, ankle, wrist. So you have large joint and small joint, including the hip. Now, our training course is taught by expert ultrasound educators who have together over 50 combined years of teaching in the field. Not only of diagnostic ultrasound, but also how to perform the injections in either these large joints or small joints and everything in between. Okay? Each provider will be able to do real procedures on real patients, as well as receive one him or herself with exosomes. This is very different than most other ultrasound courses out there that are taught with either cadavers or animal meat, not in real life situations with real patients. Now, patients love it when providers use ultrasound in their practice because they can actually see the needle going into the specific joint that's being injected. It gives them that confidence in you, knowing that you've taken the time to learn this skill so that you can expertly and accurately place the needle into where it needs to go. Also, you will have had a regenerative procedure, so you can relay your experience to the patient and relate on that level. Just click on the ultrasound training link. You can either register, you can also call us for more information at 844-GET-STEM. We look forward to hearing from you and helping you learn the ultrasound techniques that you need in your practice.